So this is my little buddy. Say hello. Hello, little buddy. How you doing? You gonna jump onto my hand? Probably not. No. There we go. There we go. It's my little buddy. Hey, buddy. You're so cute. Hey. Yeah. Shall we show you how you eat some food? Yeah? Okay. 2 seconds, buddy. Food. Okay, I'm going to set this up. Buddy, all done. Oh, there you go. There you go. Tasty. Oh, there you go. Yeah, I know you want it there, but tasty. Cutie. My little buddy, aren't you? Like the chick crumbs. Little buddy doesn't like its box. Oh, it just wiped its beak on me, on my hand. Doesn't like it getting a mucky beak. This is hilarious. I don't know how it's so tame. You're very tame though, aren't you? Take some water? Yeah. I know. Are you? Yeah. Do you want any more food? You've had quite a lot. Some more water. Nope. We're done. Okay, I'm going to try and get this bird back in its box for the night because it's not coming home with me.